State is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family household as a Class A misdemeanor. The range of punishment for that offense is anywhere up to 1 year in the Bear County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Court is calling 2022 CR 3603, State of Texas versus Amber Denise Storm. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Marcus Sanders.
For the defense?
Victor Gomez.
All right, and are you Ms. Storm?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, I'm showing you what's entitled discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, it appears that you're proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family household. Is that correct?
Yes, Judge.
Any objections?
No objection.
Ms. Storm, I'm going to show you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
All right, and we're going to go off the record. Probation, there's no application.
Okay, thank you.
Back on the record. Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family household as a Class A misdemeanor? The range of punishment for that offense is anywhere up to 1 year in the Bear County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, you need to speak up.
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case? Okay, are you?
Yes, I'm
All
sorry.
right, here's the thing. Are you sure? I mean, do
Yes,
you
ma'am.
understand what's going on?
She's
Yes,
nervous, Judge.
All right.
She's very nervous.
Sorry, I'm really quiet.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
Yes, she has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, she is. Judge.
Ms. Storm, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is to proceed on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family, and household. Punishment is to be assessed at 86 days in the Bear County Jail. There are no applications for community supervision or deferred adjudication. State will take in consideration County Court Cause number 679-224. There's to be credit for any time served, affirmative finding of family violence, no harmful or injurious contact with Helen Storm. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of the plea bargain agreement?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, it is. Your Honor.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Judge.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. And I'm finished on that. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, then to the less included offense of assault, bodily injury, family, household. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, State Offer States Exhibit 1 and its attachments.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Ms. Storman, I'm showing you what's entitled waiving consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty of the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family, or household. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, Ms. Storm has spent at least 86 days in jail. We're asking the court to give a credit, judgment sat. We're asking the court to follow the recommendation.
All right. State, have you had a chance to speak with the complainant?
I believe we have, Judge, and I believe she is not necessarily aware of the specific plea, but aware of a potential result.
All right. And Ms. Stormy, what is your relationship to Helen?
She's my mom.
All right. So where are you living now?
Right now, I'm living with my dad.
So how often have you been using?
Oh, rarely.
What does that mean?
Like-
As I tell everybody, I'm not with you when you rarely use, so I don't know what that means.
I can't say never because never isn't a good answer, but I mean, it's been a good 5 months, 3 months.
So if I drug test you today, you're saying it's going to be negative because I will drug test you
Yes,
today. You won't, okay. Because I have concerns.
Okay.
And my concerns are with the drug issue, as you understand. And what is the drug that you rarely use?
I smoke pot.
There was more going on than pot smoking here.
Well, at the time, I actually wasn't doing anything. She was under the impression that I was. So
I mean, but what have you used in the past?
really just pot.
What does that mean, really, just pot?
I mean, I've taken Adderall or, prescription drugs, but not outside of that, no.
Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
16, 16,
So you have one child and that child is 16?
yes.
Where is that child?
He lives with his father.
Why is that?
He chose to stay with his dad.
Why?
He just felt it would be in his best interest to
Why?
spend some time with him.
How does being in his best interest to spend some time with his father end up with his father, him living with his father permanently?
Well, it's not a permanent stay. He just, he's in between with his grandma and with his dad, but
So here's my concern. My concern is I'm reading this and it's your mom suspecting that you're using ice.
right.
So have you used ice in the past?
I mean, in the past, yes, but as of like now, no.
Probation?
Yes, Your Honor,
How long would it take to do a drug test on Ms. Stormont?
we could do it right now.
All right. Are you ready to go now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you need? I'm glad that you were negative. You need to keep up the good work, okay?
Yes.
All right. The court is going to follow your agreement. Court will sentence you to 86 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for any time served. Is this a judgment satisfied?
It's contemplation of parties, yes, Your Honor.
All right. Show that the judgment is satisfied. Take in consideration County Court Cause number 679-224. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, and there should be no harmful or injurious contact with Helen Stormont. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
Nothing further from the defense.
Nothing to say.
Ms. Stormont, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, You do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Also, because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. I'm going to tell you what I tell everybody else. Parents are a blessing. They're here. Hopefully your parent is a blessing. You've got to start treating your mother better. And guess what? If you think your mother is wrong about something, guess what you do? You smile, you accept it. And when you live in your mother's household, no matter how old you get, your mother's rules apply. I don't care if you're living in the apartment to her household, her rules apply.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
A Texas courtroom falls silent as Amber Denise Storm stands before the judge, facing a family violence assault charge. What begins as a routine plea hearing quickly turns into a deeper conversation about accountability, family, and personal choices. Amber agrees to a plea bargain on a lesser charge of assault causing bodily injury to a family member. The deal calls for 86 days in county jail, with credit for time already served. Nervous and emotional, she confirms that she understands her rights and voluntarily accepts the agreement. But before sentencing, the judge wants answers. The alleged victim in the case is Amber's own mother, Helen Storm. As the judge reviews the file, concerns about drug use begin to emerge. Amber insists she has not used drugs for months and claims she only occasionally smoked marijuana. However, court records suggest there were suspicions of more serious substance abuse in the past. The judge questions her carefully, asking about her living situation, her relationship with her child, and her history with drugs. Amber admits she used methamphetamine, commonly known as ice, in the past, but denies any current use. To verify her claims, the judge orders an immediate drug test. Moments later, the results come back negative. Pleased with the result, the judge encourages Amber to continue making positive choices and acknowledges that remaining drug-free is a step in the right direction. The court then follows the plea agreement, sentencing Amber to 86 days in jail with credit for time served, effectively satisfying the sentence. However, because of the family violence finding, she is prohibited from possessing firearms or ammunition and must have no harmful contact with her mother. Before ending the hearing, the judge leaves Amber with a final message: respect your parents, appreciate the people who care about you, and remember that personal responsibility is the key to a better future.